Ever wonder how the Earth becomes dessert? Today, we reveal the full journey of industrial carrot cake. Subscribe to see how the world eats. It starts in the soil. Before high-tech machinery, we need nature. Manual harvesting is the first quality filter, selecting only the healthiest roots. That vibrant orange color is a health indicator. These carrots are loaded with natural sugars that define the final flavor. Logistics are a race against time. The faster the raw material reaches the factory, the more flavor is preserved. Even at industrial scale, careful handling is vital. Without an excellent base ingredient, no machine can save the recipe. Crates are secured for travel. This cargo heads to one of the most modern processing facilities on the continent. Arrival at the factory changes the scenery. Sun and soil are replaced by stainless steel and absolute hygiene. Every batch is weighed and digitally cataloged. We know exactly which farm these carrots came from. Total traceability. Scanners check barcodes to prevent any substandard ingredients from entering the line. Washing is intense. High-pressure jets remove every grain of sand. Food safety is non-negotiable here. It is satisfying to see the bright orange emerge from the dirt. If you like industrial process videos, hit the like button. After washing, high-speed cameras spot defects the human eye might miss. Only the vegetable elite move forward. Controlled abrasion peeling removes only the thin skin, preserving the nutritious pulp. Pure efficiency. Blades spinning at thousands of RPMs transform roots into uniform ribbons in seconds. Do you prefer carrot chunks or a smooth batter? Comment chunks or smooth below. The aroma of fresh carrots fills the air. This natural base distinguishes this industrial product from artificial ones. In the mixing room, baking chemistry happens. Giant silos dose flour and sugar in the exact ratio. Balancing sweetness with the earthy carrot flavor is the secret. Spices like cinnamon are weighed with lab precision. High-quality vegetable oil is injected. It keeps the cake moist for days, unlike butter, which hardens in the cold. Now, watch the egg automation. Thousands processed per hour. Mechanical claws separate shell and content delicately. Optical filters ensure no shells pass through. Liquid eggs go to the mixers, adding structure and lightness. Industrial mixers create a golden emulsion. When carrots are added, the color instantly turns that appetizing orange. Viscosity sensors ensure the dense batter flows through pipes without clogging. Samples are tested constantly. If consistency changes, the computer adjusts the mixing speed automatically. Filling is 100% automatic. Laser sensors detect pans and release the exact amount of batter. No waste. Vibrating tables level the batter and remove air bubbles, ensuring the cake rises evenly. We enter the tunnel oven. Meters of controlled heat bake every stage perfectly. The smell of caramelized sugar is intoxicating. Can you imagine the smell? If this makes you hungry, consider becoming a channel member to support us. Inside, the Maillard reaction creates the golden crust. Endless rows of identical cakes emerge. Pure engineering. Rapid cooling stops residual cooking and locks in moisture. The thermal shock is calculated. Automated depanning treats the cake gently. Suction systems lift the product without breaking its soft structure. Saws remove the rounded top, creating a flat surface for the filling. Trimmings are recycled into other sweets. The cake is sliced into millimeter-perfect layers. Meanwhile, cream cheese frosting is prepared in giant blocks. The frosting texture must be silky but firm enough to withstand transport without melting. Assembly is a symphony. Nozzles apply a generous layer of filling, and robots stack the cake layers. A curtain of frosting covers the top and sides. Mechanical spatulas smooth everything for a professional finish. Decoration with cake crumbs gives it that artisanal look. Store-bought or homemade? Let us know in the comments. Ultrasonic guillotines slice the blocks. Vibration prevents cream from sticking to the blade, ensuring mirror-like cuts. Every slice is an exact copy. Identical weight and size allow for standardized sales in big chains. Slices enter the packaging zone. High-speed conveyors place them into protective, clear containers. The packaging creates a barrier against oxygen, guaranteeing freshness for days on the shelf. Labels with tracking data are applied automatically. Quality control weighs every unit. Any deviation is rejected. Workers pack units for wholesale. Human dexterity here competes with machine speed. Robots stack sealed boxes onto pallets. Stretch film secures the load for road transport. Everything goes to cold storage. Refrigerated trucks wait to take this sweetness nationwide. Hours ago, this was just dirt and flour. Modern industry is a marvel of efficiency. On the shelf, the clear packaging lets visual hunger do the work. When you hold a slice, you hold the result of agronomy, engineering, and chemistry. Texture and safety are guaranteed by this meticulous process. If you enjoyed seeing how food is made, share this with a friend who loves sweets. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. But stay tuned, we have extra technical details coming up. Machine cleaning is crucial. Everything is washed with chemical foam and hot water between shifts. Microbiological tests ensure zero bacteria. Sanitation is an obsession. The factory uses a circular economy. Shells become fertilizer. Oil becomes biodiesel. Temperature is monitored 24/7. Sensors alert engineers if a cold room shifts by even 2 degrees. The R&D team tests new recipes constantly, seeking innovation and health benefits. Sensory labs conduct blind tests with consumers to decide next year's flavors. Preventive maintenance software monitors the lifespan of every bearing to avoid stops. Worker safety is top priority. Motion sensors stop equipment if anyone gets too close. Special lighting doesn't alter food colors, ensuring accurate visual inspection. Processed water is treated on-site and returned to the environment cleaner than it entered. Uniforms are sterilized daily. Street clothes are forbidden to prevent cross-contamination. Positive air pressure pushes dust out. The factory is shielded against external pollutants. Every flour batch is tested for gluten. Raw material consistency is the key to standardization. Vegetable oil travels through heated pipes to maintain fluidity even in winter. We prioritize local farmers to support the economy and reduce the carbon footprint. The factory operates in 3 shifts. Machines only stop for deep scheduled cleaning. Fire suppression uses chemicals safe for electronics. Data for every batch is archived for years. Employees are encouraged to innovate. Many efficiency ideas come from the operators. Packaging design balances protection with sustainability, using less plastic. Truck refrigeration is satellite monitored. Any temperature spike triggers an immediate alert. Shelf life is determined by accelerated aging tests in the lab. Safety is guaranteed until the last day. Automatic scrapers in pipes recover batter, saving tons of product annually. Machines are food-grade stainless steel, resisting fruit acids and cleaning agents. The epoxy floor has no cracks for bacteria to hide. It is a closed, safe ecosystem. Demand spikes in winter. Production is planned months ahead to meet sales peaks. We export globally, adjusting recipes slightly for local palates. Cream cheese is pasteurized to eliminate pathogens while keeping the fresh taste. Nuts pass through X-rays. No hard shells reach the consumer. Conveyor speed syncs with the oven. If one changes, the other adapts for perfect baking. Cooling is critical. Packaging hot cake creates mold. We monitor core temperature strictly. Frosting consistency is tested with penetrometers. It must be soft to spread, but stable. Ultrasonic cutting vibrates 20,000 times a second for a clean cut without crumbling. We are transitioning to biodegradable paper liners and renewable energy sources like solar. Training is constant. Our corporate university teaches hygiene and robotics. Automation changed jobs, not just eliminated them. We need more programmers and analysts now. The future is mass customization. Machines will soon print unique decorations on every cake. AI predicts demand to avoid overproduction and food waste. Powerful magnets remove any metal particles from dry ingredients at the line entry. Ovens recover heat to warm cleaning water, saving energy. Daily sensory analysis ensures the flavor remains identical to decades ago. Refrigeration uses eco-friendly gases. Wooden pallets are heat-treated against pests. Internal communication is digital, eliminating paper. Wellness programs care for the team. CIP cleaning sanitizes pipes internally without dismantling, saving time. Oven humidity sensors adjust the flame to prevent drying, mimicking a baker's intuition. Refined sugar dissolves fast. Ingredient grain size affects the final texture. Conveyor speeds are adjustable for high-demand days without compromising quality. External audits ensure international standards. Secondary packaging is recycled cardboard. Ergonomics prevent injuries. Every customer complaint is investigated using traceability data. The ready-to-eat market grows on convenience and quality. Seasonal flavors keep interest high. Light-colored walls reveal dirt easily. Air conditioning filters particles. We welcome tours to show transparency. Exports require labels in over 10 languages. Success lies in balancing high-tech, natural ingredients, and strict control. Food science allows industrial products with homemade taste. Logistics are complex but precise. Water consumption is reduced annually. Big data analyzes consumption trends. Package integrity is vacuum tested. LED lighting saves energy. We hope this deep dive was fascinating. The food industry is a world of invisible precision. If you're still here, comment Carrot Tech, so we know you're a true fan. Check out our other playlists on how everyday things are made. Stay tuned. Next episode, a state-of-the-art chocolate factory. See you on the next adventure.